Oh my gosh, guys, it's me, BROWSERJR79, and we're at Primrose Valley. If you couldn't tell, see, look, we're in the caravan. We've got SpongeBob, all them characters, like the original plushies for them, because you know, we got my dad up there, Bowser, and yeah, we're just gonna let him speak. Yo, dude, this holiday is so fun, bro. I'm so glad I came. We played in the woods yesterday. If you didn't see that video, you should definitely go watch it. Yeah, you should go watch it. Please, we need money, Abba. Okay, Cody, that was a bit weird. Well, let's see what Chef Pee-Pee's doing. What are you doing, Chef Pee-Pee?
I might go what? Junior.
What?
Yeah.
Should he hit him on the head? Yeah.
Yeah, because I hate him and his friends.
Oh, that's not very nice, is it?
But I'm gonna go watch it in a minute.
What?
Obviously.
Yeah. Yo, dude, Junior, are you okay, bro? Quick! Wake him up to get up. Cody, get the fuck off me, bro. What do you want? I was just checking you're okay, BFF. Okay.
Okay.
It's me, the real Junior from SML. Alright, shut up, puppets. We don't want you. Go back to the old. Go back to the old one. Are you serious right now? We like the plushies. Boo! Well, we like the puppets as well. They are good, but you know, nobody wants those.
I'm going to take it in here.
Beat him up! Let's beat him up! Beat him up! Come on, guys, let's all beat him up. Not Jersey. Oh, I think we've battered him. Oh no!